Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily add a dynamic lighting to your images in Canva. If you want to give your image that expansive high-end look, then I'm going to reveal the secret to adding dynamic lighting and shadow using only Canva. So what you need to do, just add your image into a blank canvas like this, and then you can just head into apps in Canva and then just search for the an app called Light Lab. This one. So by using these apps, you can add dynamic customizable lighting to your photos, and here you can just open it. This is the selected image. Now you can use or choose the presets, or you can just click on add light effects in here after you choose the presets. Okay, you can also change the preset if you think that it's not fit with the photo. You can just choose which one. For example, I think I'm going to just choose, okay, this one's right here. And also change the lights color if you want to. And also you can adjust the intensity, distance, and radius. I'm going to just choose this one, and you can just click on add to design. And you can compare both photos. This is the before and here is the after. As you guys can see, the lighting is now better. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next tutorial.